Hello everyone. Welcome to the part 2 of plotting the normal distribution. We will start from the next procedure where we left last time. So you can see in the screen that till here we were able to draw the normal distribution. This data is little different from the previous one, but I just want to show you on any data which we have. So the data points are different, but the type of data is completely same. So the next step is to draw or to show the area under normal curve. So in this type of question, generally examiner asks you few questions. Like for this particular diagram, you can see that this particular data, the minimum number students are having is 25 and the maximum number they are having is 85. The mean is coming in between as 56.22. So it will come in the center as it is the property of the normal distribution. So in exam we could be asked to show the area under normal curve for the marks, let's say below 40 or below 35. So you can understand that below 40 or below 35 will come on the left hand side of the normal distribution, since this is the value which is less than its mean. So what kind of question they can ask? Show the area under the normal curve for x equal to, let's say, 43. Any number they can give you. So for solving this question, they are asking you show the area under normal curve for x equal to 43. So x equal to 43 matlab the area under the normal curve till the x equal to 43. So they can ask you maybe show the area under normal curve for x equal to 83 or for x below 83. So they can ask you, sorry, below 43. Let me correct myself. So in that case, what you are going to do, you are going to make a new column which is called cumulative probability function. And here we are going to use a if function where we are going to say if equal to if our x value is less than equal to, because if they are saying below 43 then less and 43 then, so we can put, if we can put the x area below 43, either we can write 42, or if the question is saying simple x equal to 43, it assume that they are asking below 43. So I am writing it because they have asked below 43. But since it is a probability distribution, continuous distribution, so 42.9 can also be a scenario. So rather than we just making it more complicated, we can just write x equal to 43. So in that case, my function would be x is below equal to 43. Then give me the return the value of this, else 0. So the moment I enter this formula, I will get some values. And I further drag it down, you will find one thing. When till the time x is below 43, I will getting some values. But for all the x which were beyond 43, we are not getting any value. So simple, for the question show the area under normal curve for x equal to 43, you can go that way. Now, this is the values, just the values. We have not plotted it yet. Now, how to plot these values? For plotting these values, again, we will just double click this diagram and you will see that again this particular band has arrived where we can again put select data, and select data we have to insert one more column in the y series. So that's why we will go to this y thing, add series name is this, again the cumulative probability function, and the value which we are going to put is this. Either you can choose the whole values or you can just take these 4 values. It's your wish. So we are just putting it like that. And for x again, we have to choose the values. Again, we have to give the values of x and OK. So now you can see a basic diagram is ready, though we need to correct it a bit. So let's work on the correction and visualization part of the diagram. So for that, first of all, I can see that this normal distribution starting point is little more than the y variable. So for that, what can I do? I just can go to the this particular y column values and I can just do double click. The moment I do double click, I will say that minimum value as 0. So the starting point is 0, it's showing 0. So I can see that my starting point is 0.005, and if we see the normal distribution, it is very much close to axis. So we can either put 004 and we can see that now it has changed little bit down. The second thing which we can do is we can just normalize this shape. We can see right now it's not smoothened. The moment I'll click this, so I'll get this bucket sign here. And in this bucket sign here, I will get this option. In the last option is smoothened line. So you can see that now my diagram shape is smoothened. Now one more thing I can do is I want to fill color in this particular segment. So what I will do, I will just double click this area and I'll choose fill. And in fill, I can say this is giving me outline. And for this area, I may go to fill. You can see just red line has been highlighted. So I can choose it with any light color with this bucket sign. Sometimes it creates certain kind of issues. So I don't want to fill this chart area. I just want to fill the plot area. So let me try once again. In this diagram, you go this side. So in this way, you can lighten it, but I can again fill it also. So that I will show in the next video because the video is coming lengthy. So we can fill this also by choosing this area. And we can straighten this line as well. So how to straighten this line? You just go to this function and you just write -100. You can see this value has changed, and the moment you drag it, the value is straight. So in this way, you can do the normal distribution plotting. And for this plotting this particular area, I will go to the next video. Thank you so much.